Today, men of the Anambra Road Traffic Agency towed away an abandoned truck at Enugwu Ukwu in Njikoka local government area. This truck had been abandoned at a sharp bend for over 2 years, and has been the cause of multiple road accidents in the area.
Good morning. This is the solution team, Anambra State Road Traffic Management Agency. We are here to pull this truck, which has been abandoned here for so many years, causing menace on our roads. So we are here to do the needful, to do what we can do best. This is the Commandant Njikoka, ARTMA reporting. Thank you.
Shop owners and residents within the area had complained about the truck due to the security risks it had on motorists. Today they were very excited, and cheered the traffic team for doing a great job. Thanks to Governor Charles Soludo, who has continued to empower the agency to serve Anambrarians. The owner of the truck should visit our office at the local government secretariat, Abagana, to reclaim his vehicle.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Kadoke, sir.
We are fine, no problem.
Ndi begi kwano.
Because
I am the Soludo Enforcement Team, Anambra State Road Traffic Management Agency. Mo are in charge of Njikoka and Njikoka. Because Ibu anya eba. Afambu ife atu emeta o masili chukwu. Yes.
My name is Chiku Nedumu Phoenix. Onye Uroko village eba aka. And I'm the former commander in Enugwu Central Village.
Good one.
So, that name and shop.
Okay.
So,
because kedachom ke ko watola he motor. If I'm a motor and how long go the logo?
Well, the fact remains that now, earlier last year, motor and Abarata, we land like no friend of break. We just keep your shop better than a photocopy, never. So, what you tell you? Every 2 days, 3 days, 4. We don't know so Musa has been here for a long time.
Okay.
Since I was also something like that, abandoned a motor. So, so my view is that we have earlier last year.
Okay.
It has been long for this people.
So now, no change again now. The solution team, the former can achieve melon by motor. Because now you the motor, the other are sharp bend, and don't impose security threats on the Enugwu Ukwu.
Exactly.
Because now, yes. As I said before, no more about Commander ARTMA, Njikoka and Njikoka. In case of the owner there, we are the local government secretariat to have the ARTMA office. Yes. We have a motiade. We have a motia. All I am go edition Ozaina Gaga. In I get a popular now. If one are even each other. If we are even each other. So that is necessary. Dalosa. Dalosa. Manezo Kusa. Thank you so much, sir.